The City and Industrial Development Corporation of Maharashtra, CIDCO, a special town planning authority, is all set to idealize South Navi Mumbai as a smart city. By providing environment-friendly infrastructure to meet residential, commercial and social need of the population, CIDCO aims to improve the quality of life for its citizens. Under the Smart City concept, CIDCO has categorized South Navi Mumbai into the Greenfield and Brownfield zones. It has identified two completely undeveloped areas, Pushpak and Naina, for large-scale development under the Greenfield zone. And for the Brownfield zones, previously developed nodes like Kharghar, Kalambuli, Kamothe, Panvel, Ulve and Dronagiri have been taken into consideration for crafting a smart city. But how does CIDCO plan to really improve the quality of life of people? A smart city will have sufficient housing for all stratum of society, and CIDCO plans to promote affordable housing schemes that will inspire self-reliance and growth.
Affordable housing, we plan to construct 55,000 affordable houses for economically weaker section and low-income groups. We plan to complete it in the next about 3 to 4 years time, where the costs are going to be very, very affordable. No land costs are going to be charged there, and no profit for CIDCO. It's only going to be the construction cost. You are aware that the land prices in CIDCO are very high, but the zero land price will be charged to them. So it's like a subsidy being given for affordable housing.
CIDCO will strengthen health networks to provide effective and affordable healthcare to all residents, achieving National Urban Health Mission goals. A smart city will offer educational opportunities by combining educational infrastructure, smart education and broadband services to all government schools. For healthy lifestyle, CIDCO has planned open spaces for gardens, play areas, gyms and recreational centres, and also would introduce spiritual and community centres.
Second, we are making a beautiful marina in this area, for which the launch will show the various type of facilities being given in the marina. There is a riverfront development project also coming up on the lines of Sabarmati in this very area. Then a beautiful plaza on the line of the Gurgaon Plaza is being planned in this area, which will be probably the hub of all commercial activities in this area.
Belapur Fort, a historical monument of the city, is the focus of CIDCO's conservation effort. To implement a smart connected infrastructure, CIDCO has proposed to expand National Highway from 6 lanes to 8 lanes and wider roads throughout the city. CIDCO is promoting public transit and walkability to reduce congestion and pollution, as well as to improve mobility for citizens. Metros and railways will act as catalysts in Navi Mumbai's transport system, as well as for economic growth. It has also been proposed to incorporate road overbridges, flyovers, foot overbridges in accordance with the road hierarchy. One of the key projects of CIDCO is Navi Mumbai International Airport, which intends to connect Navi Mumbai with the whole world. Video crime monitoring and CCTV-based city surveillance projects will facilitate the security measures taken for the citizens. An uninterrupted 24/7 reliable potable water supply for households and recycled water for commercial and industrial users has been planned. By upgrading the power supply transmission and distribution infrastructure, CIDCO aims to produce round-the-clock power supply and minimize power losses. Additional underground wiring system has been installed to reduce blackouts due to storms. Following the ideal of Swachh Bharat campaign, efficient measures will be taken for waste disposal from household and commercial garbage, and will also minimize the discharge of wastewater to reduce water pollution. CIDCO will implement the air quality monitoring program and will plan a traffic initiative to reduce emission across the city. To ensure the protection of environment, CIDCO has taken up 2000 HA National Park and Landscape Tree Plantation Project, which will maintain the eco-balance of the urban population in the region. CIDCO, along with MMRDA and Department of Forestry, are working towards the protection and restoration of mangroves and creeks. Furthermore, a biodiversity ecological park is being built for public access.
So number of such projects are coming up as economic drivers. There is a big, huge Naina city, 600 square kilometers, Naina city, which is coming up in this area. So there are a number of projects which are coming as economic drivers, and a lot of employment opportunities are coming in this project. A very, very rough estimate indicates that there will be 8.27 lakhs jobs created in this area, and these are all, majority of them are going to be high-end jobs.
The physical infrastructure, strategic location, clean and sustainable environment will help to attract and retain human capital. CIDCO has come up with a unique concept of commercial enterprise about the railway system to effectively utilize the space to its fullest. The airport, NMIA, JNPT, Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link, MTHL, Multimodal Corridor, Metro, NMSEZ, National Highway and the Naina City project are few economic drivers which will double the capacity for finance and growth. Another initiative taken up by CIDCO towards the smart city concept is e-governance by upgradation of the ICT government services for the convenience of the citizens. Carrying forward the agenda of Digital India Mission, CIDCO has undertaken future IT connectivity projects such as broadband connectivity to schools and colleges, Wi-Fi mesh and 4G broadband services. An inclusive planning of various specialized programs for women, handicapped or physically challenged, and also for elderly citizens has been designed. It also involves employability training with the help of IL and FS for various competitive exams to project affected people. Through this comprehensive planning, CIDCO is determined to transform South Navi Mumbai into a leading smart city of the world by improving the life of its residents today and in the future, to make life faster and smarter. It's time to ignite meaningful change.